The new movie is dash interesting as the previous one. A as B, so C2. We should find a solution dash the problem. A for B to C with. He has been working here dash 10 years. A for B since C by. The students were dash with the difficult exam. A, struggling. B, struggled. We struggle. My brother dash lives in London, is a doctor. A, who. B, which. C, where. The company's profits dashed significantly last quarter. A, increased. B, increase. C, increasing. She didn't buy the dress dash, it was too expensive. A, because B, although C, so. He is the dash most talented artist in the class. They went to the park, dash they played frisbee. A, where. B, which. C, who. The children were excited, dash the field trip. A, about B, with C for. Dash, it was late. They decided to go home. A, since B, although C, unless. I'll call you as soon as I dash the news. A, here. B, will hear. C, heard. The book was written, dash a famous author. A, by B, with C from. She speaks 3 languages, dash French, Spanish, and Italian. Can I say I, including B besides C also. The movie was dash scary that I couldn't sleep. A, so B, such C, very. The house dash was built in 1950, is being renovated. A, which. B, who. C, where. We were tired, so we dash a taxi. A took, B takes, C we're taking. He always arrives dash time for his appointments. A, on B, and C at... The new restaurant is dash good as the old one. A as B, so C too. Dash. The weather was bad. We still went for a walk. A. Although B because C since. She's interested dash learning a new language. A. And B on C with. The car broke down, so we had to dash it towed. A. Get B. Have C. Make. The car broke down, so we had to dash it towed. A. Get B. Have C. Make. He gave me a piece of dash about my presentation. A. Advice. B. Advises. C. Advise. The company is looking for a person dash has good communication skills. A. Who B. Which C. Whom. The train dashed by the time we arrived at the station. A had left. B left. C was leaving. We were all surprised Dash's sudden departure. A by B at C with... I dash not seen him since last week. A have B has C had... The movie was dash good that I watched it twice. A. So B such C very... She is the dash of the two sisters. Yeah. A. Taller. B. Tallest. C. Tall. He is a person dash I can trust completely. A. Whom. B. Who. C. Which. The police are looking dash the stolen car. A. For B. After C. At... I dashed to the party if I'd known you were coming. A. Would have gone. B. Would go. C. Went. The teacher dashed us to be quiet. A. Told B. Said C. Asked. He is the person dash I gave the book to. A. To whom? B. To who? C. To which? I'm used dash up early. A. To get in. B. To get. C. Get. Well, he promised dash me the next day. A. To call B. Calling C. Calls. I'm afraid I have to dash your offer. A. Decline. B. Declining. C. Declined. She is an expert dash English grammar. A. In B. On C. At. The students were dashed with a difficult exam. A. Struggling. B. Struggled. C. Struggle. He is the person dash I met at the conference. A. Who? B. Which? C. Where? The boy dash was tired, fell asleep on the sofa. A. Who? B. Which? C. Whom? We were told to dash the instructions carefully. A. Follow. B. Following. C. Followed. He is the only one dash knows the answer. A. Who? B. Which? C. What? The company is looking for a person dash can work independently. A. Who? B. Which? C. What? I'm sorry, I can't come. I have a lot of dash to do. A. Work. B. Works. C. Working. The book was so interesting that I couldn't put a dash. A down, B, up C, and my colleague is very friendly. Dash, he is a bit quiet. A and B, but C. So? She's interested in dash a new language. A, learn. B, learning. C, learned. I'm going to the store, dash some milk. A, to buy. B, for buy. C, buying.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments. Subscribe Talk Learner for more videos and also drop your target scores in the comments. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and a peaceful night too. Bye-bye.